for this basic mathematics tutorial video, we will discuss the relation between the greatest common factor and the least common multiple. So let's discuss first the greatest common factor. Okay, let's say we are required to compute the greatest common factor of 8 and 12. To know how to compute the greatest common factor of 8 and 12, we just need to understand first the meaning of these three words: the greatest, the common, and a factor. So let's start with the factor. So what is a factor? A factor is a product of two positive numbers. Say this number 8. Okay, the first factor is 1 and 8. Okay, so 1 and 8 is a factor of 8. Okay, so the second factor is 2 and 4. Okay, since 2 times 4 is equal to 8. Okay, so next is 8 divisible by 3. No, is 8 divisible by 4? Yes. Okay, so the factor of 8 are 1, 2, this one, the 4, this one, and 8, this one. Okay, so let's solve the factor of 12. Okay, so 12 divide 1 is 12. So 12 divide 1 is 12. So the first factor of 12 are 1 and 12. Is 12 divisible by 2? Yes. So 2 times 6 is equal to 12. Is 12 divisible by 3? Yes. So 3 times 4 is equal to 12. Is 12 divisible is 4 divisible by 12? Yes. So that is the 4 times 3. Okay? So the factor of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Okay, so these are the factor of 12 and these are the factor of 8. So, okay, so we are done for the computation of factor. So, we will proceed to the word common. So, what are their common? Okay, their common is 1, 2, and 4. Is 1, 2, and 4. Okay, so we are done with the word common. So let's go to the first word, which is the greatest. From these common factors, what are the greatest here or the highest? So from these three common factors, the highest or the greatest factor is the 4. So the greatest common factor of 8 and 12 is 4. Okay, so let's proceed to the least common multiple. Let's say we are required to compute the least common multiple of 3 and 4. So again, to know how to compute the least common multiple of 3 and 4, we need to understand the meaning of these three words: the least, the common, and multiple. Let's say 1. Let's say this number 3, this one. What are the multiples of 3? Okay, 1 is 3. Since 3, this number is, for this one, 3 times 1 is 3. Okay, what is the next multiple of 3? Is 6. Okay, so the next is 6 since 3 times 2 is 6. Okay, the next multiple is 9. The next multiple is 12. The next multiple is 15, and so on and so forth. Okay, how about the 4? What are the multiples of 4? The multiples of 4 are Okay, let's discuss first let's show first all the uh, multiples of 3. So the multiples of 3 are this one: 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, and an infinite value. Since you can just add 33, 36, and so on and so forth. Okay, so let's proceed to the multiple of 4. So the multiple of 4 are this one: the 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. These are called the multiple of 4. Okay, so let's list down. The multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, this one, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, and also an infinite. Okay, okay, so let's go to the second word, the common. So what are their common multiple? Okay, so we have from this given this list down multiple, the common are the 12 and the 24. So let's proceed to the first word, the list, the word list. Okay, so the least common, since these are the common, so the least number or the lowest number from this common multiple is 12. So the answer is 12. And then the least common multiple of 3 and 4 is 12. Okay, so let's discuss their relation let's discuss the relation between the greatest common factor and least common multiple. Let's say uh, we have an equation. The 3 times 4 is equal to 12. Okay, so from this equation, the 3 times 4 is equal to 12. This 12 is the multiple of 3 and 4. Okay, as you can see also here, 3 and 4 is a multiple of 12 is a multiple of 3 and 4 is 1. 4 and 3. Okay, so their relationship is the sum of a number is a multiple of the number. Okay, and then the 3 the 3 and 4 also is a factor of 12. Okay, so I hope we get this one. Okay, let's repeat. The 12 is a multiple of 3 and 4, and 3 and 4 is a factor of 12. So thank you for watching.